MVP, minimal viable product. So you have an idea, right, and you want to build it. What the first thing you're supposed to do, right? Now, the idea is to launch, is not to have a perfect product yet, is to learn from your users. So the first thing you do is you make sure you solve the core problem first. You identify the core problem, can be something very, very small. That's why it's called minimal viable product. When you identify that, you now start building that particular thing alone. You forget about the whole bigger picture, and you focus on that minimum viable product. What is the smallest thing that is the core thing you want to solve that can benefit users? Once you push that out, then you get in contact with your users. You validate the problem you have solved, and then you see where you can make your priorities, right? Because you have solved a problem, and this is where your users are moving. This way your users find it. This is what your users find it more interesting. So you move towards that direction, and you continue to iterate. What this does is that it saves you time, it saves you money and energy to start building it. Because if you start everything at once, you may end up not completing your project. So there's a platform called Concept Lab that has engineers, builders, category that can help you build your first product, even if you don't have finance, right? Yeah. So I just wanted to really emphasize on you having a minimal viable product first before going into the bigger picture. See you in the next one, guys.